If you're looking for an incredible duplex property in Shelburne that would be perfect if you want someone else to pay down your mortgage while you live in it, or an investment property, then you need to keep watching this video. Hi, I'm John Walkinshaw from eXp Realty, and I am thrilled to introduce you to 408 William Street in Shelburne. This is an incredible duplex property that has so much to offer. This particular property is really close to downtown, where there's a farmer's market in summer and easy shopping, and you can walk from here to just about anywhere. But this property offers excellent parking for both apartments. The front apartment is a two-story apartment with 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and the back apartment is also 2 stories with 2 bedrooms and a bathroom as well. You can see I'm standing on the lot beside the property, and it allows tons and tons of extra space beside the property that gives you privacy. The frontage is 56 feet, the depth is approximately 100, so the lot itself is actually a great size as well. But enough talking out here, let's take a peek inside. They say in real estate, location, location, location. Well, we have that here. But from an investment property standpoint, we also have a lot of amazing features and aspects of this property that make it very rentable, and that's the key. The rents in these 2 apartments would allow for cash flow for a buyer, and if you need more information on that, then please give me a call. This front unit that we're standing in has a very nice large open concept kitchen living room with a massive window that looks out over onto the front yard. The amount of natural light is incredible. We've got a nice kitchen pantry, which is again a really good size, and we've got a main floor bedroom, which is a real bonus for a property like this. And it is 2 stories for this one apartment as well. Up the beautifully updated staircase is a nice washroom with a 3-piece with shower and a laundry room. And there's also 2 bedrooms on the front of the home. Again, good sized bedrooms that have windows overlooking the front of the property. This property also has a nice little deck and a fenced in small yard as well. Let's take a peek at the back property as well. Here we are in the second unit. I love the fact that when you come into this unit, you come in through the back door into the home. It has its own separate backyard, and there is a shed that currently is being occupied by the tenant in this unit. And it's also 2 stories again, which makes it feel like it's your own home, not in a duplex. This unit and the front unit are both legal. They are both approved by the town, and they both have been recently updated in the past couple years. So everything is in great shape overall. This particular unit, as you can see, again, has a nice open concept kitchen and living room. It also has a stackable washer dryer right here. Again, very accessible and easy to use, and you don't have to go outside the home to do your laundry. Up the stairs, we have 2 nice bedrooms upstairs and a 3-piece bathroom. The 3-piece bathroom actually has a beautiful glass shower door, and each of the bedrooms have windows that overlook the side of the property. If you're interested in this home or any information on how cash flows work in an investment property, then please reach out to me today. It would be an honor to serve you.